Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, there we go, and from here try to find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me it looks like it's right over here. Now the position of it may vary by a couple of spots, so just keep that in mind. And from there, before you actually tap on it to enable it, you do want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can actually customize how it works exactly. So we can start off with the allow interruptions. This is probably the, well, I would call this the section where you can change some settings. So we have calls, everyone, contacts only, favorite only, or no one. Choose whichever one suits you for calls. Messages has the exact same options as you can see, so again set which one you want. And the only difference between those two is that calls also has the toggle right here that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you the second time around, even though, for instance, you would have it set to no one. So in theory, no one should be able to call you. With this, if they call within that 15-minute period twice, they will still be able to reach you. Now this is a good option for some kind of emergencies. And apart from that, the only thing left is the schedule. Now if you're not interested in the schedule, you can simply tap on the toggle either right here or just right over here, and this will enable it with the base settings right here that we have set. But for those people that want to have a schedule and not bother with the Do Not Disturb mode ever in their life, you can tap on add and repeat. So you said every day that you wanted to repeat in. I'm going to create as an example a weekday one, so like a work, Monday through Friday, so disable Saturday and Sunday. From now I start at 9, so let's go from 9 to 5. There we go, to 5. And now it's going to be turning on every single day, every weekday, from Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. So every time I'm at work. And from there, once it's set, you can just tap on the check mark, automatically becomes enabled, and now you don't have to worry about it ever again. So that is how you would enable it. That looks like right now it's not enabling itself, even though it's in the time range that it should. Oh wait, never mind, the date is incorrect, so it's Saturday apparently here. So if I would actually turn on the, let me quickly change that, system right over here, and date and time, and apparently it is set to be for some reason it doesn't want to change the date, so also let's see, so we're now on Thursday and it is now enabled, as you can see. So that is basically how this would work, and once it reaches the time that it needs to, 5 p.m, it will also turn off and everything will go back to normal. And that is just how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.